Hello everyone, this is Tapish God. Hope you all are doing fantastic. As usual, I'll start with a story. A story of a man who lives along with his family, his wife and his two sons. And to earn his livelihood, he used to travel to a nearby town where he do some work and earn money to get food for his family. But from last couple of days, he is unable to find work uh, at nearby town. So to get the food for his family, he had started selling his household stuffs. Every day he sells some things to get the food for his family. One day he found that all his household stuffs are almost over. He has nothing to sell. So he decided to sell his son. For this, he discussed the same with his wife. So his wife starts shivering, and she clear cut say no, that we are not going to sell our sons. So his wife gave him some cloths and asked him to sell these cloths and get food for his family. So after selling the cloth, he gets some money, and from that money he get food for his family. But that money also run out in a few days. So now he was totally out of money, totally out of everything. So he has nothing to sell. So now finally both husband and wife reached to the consensus that they are going to sell their sons to get the money. So they both of them took their sons and traveled to the nearby town to sell them. While when they were passing through the jungle, they heard a noise. They heard a voice, somebody screaming and asking for a help. When he saw somebody getting drowned. So he collected some woods, he collected some herbs, and managed to save that man. Finally, that man, after coming out from the river, he thanks to both of his son and offered a lot of money. After having a discussion with them, it was found that he's a king of nearby town. So when king heard this story of that poor man, so he feels so sad, and he offered a lot of money to that poor man, and offered job also in his court. So finally, after getting the job, after getting the money, that man gets so much excited, and they start feeling bad about, both husband and wife start feeling bad about themselves, that because of his sons only, he's able to get money, he's able to get job, they able to get the job, and both of them were planning to sell them. Why I shared this story? Because today's topic is every cloud has silver lines. This is a very common but very famous phrase, which is commonly used, and this phrase exactly means that after every difficulty is an indication that going forward you will be going to witness a good time. So rather than getting disappointed with the difficulties, rather than feeling hurted, feeling disappointed with the difficulties, we should keep on facing the situation. We should keep on fighting with the situation, because it's 100% sure that after few days, after few months, this difficulty will get over. And because difficulties always are indicators that good time is approaching to you soon. So I also convinced with the phrase that every sky has a silver line, means every difficulty is an indicator of a good days, future good days. Never disappointed, never start getting shattered with the difficulties. Always face the challenges, always face the difficulty, and definitely in coming days you will witness a good time. Thanks a lot. This is all about my understanding related to the subject. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Stay healthy, stay aware.